Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you if your Windows key is not working in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So I'm going to show you a couple of methods to fix this. First is just go to start menu, then go to settings, and then go to the accessibility option from the left corner, click on accessibility. Then you need to find here keyboard, click on keyboard, and you need to make sure that your filter key is turned off. So if it's turned on like this, you just need to turn it off. And after that, check if your Windows key is working or not. So if this method doesn't work for you, there's another solution. Just go to your taskbar, click on the task manager, click on task manager to open the task manager and find the Windows Explorer from here. So if you find the Windows Explorer, just click on it and click on this restart tasks option. So you just need to find Windows Explorer and restart tasks, and after restarting the Windows Explorer, you just need to check if your Windows key is working or not. So also, if this method doesn't work for you, there's another solution is if you have a laptop like me, you can find a button here which is a function F12. So if you have a button on your laptop which is also in the function with function 11 or function 12 with the Windows and the lock icon, you just need to press the Windows and the function key at the same time with the lock icon. Your Windows key will be unlocked and now your Windows key will be working. So that's it guys, these are the solutions that I share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.